Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the office setup is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Trouble waking up? No problem. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Alarm starts loud driving you get us right away out of the bed. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Super loud alarm stays in crazy bell till the on/off switch is turned off. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are better setup, daily comfort, and space saver. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the office setup looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.